Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To wing it. Ben and Rachel are part of a local theater group. They are about to perform. Rachel, are you ready for our scene? We're up in a few minutes. I'm really nervous, Ben. I can't remember all of my lines. Just try to relax and focus on the main points of the scene. But what if I mess up and ruin the whole performance? You're a good actress, Rachel. Just stay in character, and if you forget a line, improvise. We'll manage. You're right. I'll just have to wing it. Thanks, Ben. Let's go out there and give it our best shot. Quiz time. What does to wing it mean? To prepare, to give up, to act, to improvise. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D, to improvise. Verb details. We often wing it in performances, wing it in presentations, wing it with plans. Winging it is common in the context of theater, but we also use it in high-pressure situations, like job interviews or presentations. It's always better to prepare than to wing it. When was the last time you had to wing it? Share your story in the comments below. Examples. We don't have any plans, so let's wing it tonight and see what happens. Sometimes it's better to wing it and be yourself rather than remember every detail. He's really good at winging it during improv shows. I didn't know the dance routine, so I just winged it on stage. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. They're about to. It's going to happen soon. We're up. It's our turn. Stay in character. Keep acting. Give it our best shot. Do our best. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.